Hello friends, do you want to learn digital art like this from basic to advanced, or you want to learn all the basics and advanced tool of Infinite Painter or ibis Paintex or any other apps, and you want to create some amazing artworks like this but you don't know the process? Or if you want to learn traditional art like portrait drawing, color pencil drawing, watercolor painting or any other mediums, and want to earn some money from your art, then you are on a right place. I started one-on-one online art class where I will teach you all those drawing basics fundamentals of digital art or traditional art with only rupees 49. Yes, you heard it right. This class fees is only 49 rupees, less than a burger price. So what are you waiting for? If you are serious about your art and want to level up your art skills, then join my online art class. To know more, call now or send message on WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much everyone. See you in my class.